Good morning, friends. It is a pleasure for me to describe a little bit of IDT, Institute of Drilling Technology, ONGC. It is really premier institute for entire drilling activities, which provides as a base work, as a support work, as a finalization work, and it makes the grand success of all the projects work in the field of drilling. Drilling oil and gas wells are not easy job. It is done with superb mechanism of follow-up, introduction, planning, and different kind of group activities, simulation of all the activities on the platform of drilling. Right from planning of well, that is called a GTO. Everything becomes so important that we cannot understand any of the job as least important. In case of planning, we have to go for reverse engineering, right from production testing to the initial planning. We have to go in reverse engineering so as to work out as each well will take certain time, how much it should be minimized. That is the main focus area. Normally, the GTO is prepared, geotechnical order is prepared at IDT for various deep wells, exploratory wells mainly. Some of the development wells of complex nature are also designed by IDT. IDT sends its experts across the various projects irrespective of east, west, south, north. They go there, they guide the entire spectrum of work, make sure that we land up in the success. Now, different teams such as cementing team, such as technology team, such as chemistry team, such as drilling team, they go for various objects, various projects, and make sure that they are able to land up in the most positive and successful way. Why at all it is required for IDT to have so much of support? Confidence building measure is absolutely important for undertaking any of the drilling field or oil field, gas field activities. To ensure that all the candidates pass through such arena of high confidence, they need to be imparted sophisticated, state-of-the-art technology as well as training. Once they achieve it, definitely they will shower their confidence in the field, make sure that all the activities are in time-bound manner, in most professional way, and landing to the exact desired path as per the projectile. Now, IDT has got two schools. One is well control school, other one is drilling technology school. Drilling technology school normally consists of all technologies such as chemistry, drilling, cementation, cohesion between various wings, and ensuring all are in the desired direction. Whereas well control school deals about only well control part of activity in the field. We have lost many thousand crores in dealing with various kind of blowouts in the past. Very famous blowout Vasalapudi has resulted in 74 days of gas flow. That was a major cost concern for ONGC as how to minimize such blowout activities. After that, the well control school was created and it has landed in the desired direction, ensuring that all the candidates in the field they pass through the various measures which is important for their career as well as ONGC's growth. Well control school imparts various kind of courses such as IWCF well control course, such as IADC well control course, such as IAWC well control courses for various levels, right from supervisory to driller to assistant driller and top man level. Once they go through these kind of trainings, they are really sure about what activity they need to undertake, and that is how they ensure that well activity is also covered very well without having any kind of problems in the field. They ensure that all the problems are diagnosed well before it happens in the form of well kick. For that, grooming is done, for that proper mentoring and training is conducted, and they are simulated at the well controlled simulators so as to ensure the confidence building measures of all the employees as well as overseas candidates. As you know, well controlled school takes about more than 200 countries in various field of training. Not only inside training, they impart even outside training as well. They have conducted many courses overseas in Oman, Bangladesh, Muscat and other areas of oil fields. Therefore, it has been always adjudged in the best of India school. So I am sure the things will go in right direction if we take care of all the help from IDT. We are really thankful to Mr. Venkatesh as head IDT. He is doing wonders, ensuring that ambience of IDT is well maintained, plus training and other parts are also taking place despite of the biggest pandemic in the entire known eras. I am sure it will augur well for all the candidates. Best of luck to every one of you. Thank you very much.